In this video, I'm going to show you how to put your affiliate link on other people's content. It could be their blog posts, websites, whatever. I'm going to show you how to put your affiliate link on their content completely legally so you can share that content and make money. But before I go on, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification icon. So let's say we're promoting this program, 900persale.com. This is actually one of my customers. So we want to promote this website, but what we want to do is we want to send the people that are considering signing up for this, or people already in our group, a list of places where they can advertise for free. Here's a website with a nice list of free advertising resources, but we want them to come back to our site. We don't want to just promote this site. We want to promote these resources, but we want people to come back to our site. Say if we share this resource on social media, we still want people to come back on our site. So we want our link on this site. I'm going to show you how to do this. So the first thing you do is you come to a site called qseo.cc and just comment qseo in the comments below, and I'll send you the direct link. It's qseo.cc, not .com, .cc. All right, it's a link shortening service. It's a free service. It's like Bitly, or there's another one, Sniply, that does a similar concept, just like that. It's totally free. So you want to sign up for free here, and then what you want to do is come down here, the lower left, to CTA overlay. Right now, we're going to come up here. We're going to create a CTA overlay, which is going to allow us to put our link on pretty much any website. So we're going to click create, and then we're going to choose CTA message. There's lots of other things you can do here too. We're not going to get confused, right? CTA message. Create a small pop-up with a message and a link to a page or product. Exactly what we're going to do. We're going to create this. Okay, and we're going to name it 900 per sale, right? You can name it anything you want. Now I've filled all this out. I've got a name for my CTA message, and I just took a bit of information off of the link that we are promoting up here. I just copied and pasted it. Put whatever you want there. I just put $900 here. You can put whatever you want. And then I left this learn more. So this is what the overlay is going to look like on the website that we choose to put it on. So this is everything. I filled it out. I got the name. I've got the overlay label. Okay. The button text, put whatever you want here. This is the URL they're going to be going to when they click this. And now I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click save. I'm going to keep this simple. Just click save. And now I have my CTA overlay. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, okay, to where it says links, right? And I'm going to create a redirect with a CTA overlay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find that website that I want to promote as a resource. It's a valuable resource. I want everyone to have it, but I want to put my link on that website. I want to share the resource, but I want to put my link on it. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to copy and paste this long link. Then I click over here, advanced options. And I'm going to name this 900. I'm going to name this list of free sites. Okay. So that's what I'm going to name it. Name it whatever you want. Now I'm going to choose overlay. And you see, I've made a couple overlays, but I'm going to choose this one, 900 per sale. 900 per sale. That's the one I'm going to use. And so I'm choosing as a redirect the overlay that I previously made and named. I named it 900 per sale, so that's the one. And I come down here, and this is the link I want people to go to, but I want my link on this resource that I'm sharing, because I can share this on Facebook, I can share this on Twitter, I can put it in my email list, and people are going to be coming back to me, because I'm going to have my link on this website. And you can do this with pretty much any website. Now, I'm going to click shorten. Here we go. And it's going to give me a URL. It also gives me a QR code that you can give out if you want to get fancy. Now, I'm going to copy this. Okay. Now we're going to go to this website. This is going to be the link that we're going to promote. This is it. So look what I have here. I have the website. I went to the short link, okay? And look what I have. I can scroll up and down this website all I want. And if I click here, what happens? I'm going to go right back to my website. So I can go ahead and I can share any resource and put my link on it, and it will always come back. I have a little pop-up here. An overlay is what they call it, which comes back to my site. So I'm promoting my site at the same time as sharing a valuable resource. I just want to say something real quick. You have to type in learn more or whatever you want the button text to be. I left it blank and it was blank. So you'd have to type this in, just so you know I'd forgotten that. So think about the possibilities. You can now, you don't have to come up with new content all the time. If there's valuable content that you think you can share that's valuable for other people, but you still want to have people coming back to your affiliate link, you now can share a lot more content and use this system here to get people to come back to your site. And I'm going to show you another neat little trick you can use with all our affiliate program. I'm now in the links section. So we were redirecting people to this list of classified ad websites and putting our overlay or pop-up on it. But there's another little trick you can do with our any page on like classifiedsubmissions.com or realppvtraffic.com or coolmarketingsoftware.com. If you come here and you put $ref equals your affiliate ID, not only will you be sharing your link in the overlay, but this will set a cookie. And if they happen to order any services on classifiedsubmissions.com, you're going to get a commission as well. So you get it both ways. You're going to get the commissions from classifiedsubmissions.com because you're going to set this cookie, and you'll be able to promote your other program here that you're promoting with this really cool overlay. So I suggest you go ahead, you come to qseo.cc, and you go ahead and start finding content that you want to share and put your link on it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, please like and share, and I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, just click one of the videos down below. Thank you so much.